Hi, I want to check how many times I can sew a top. Hopefully less than 30 minutes. At least no more than 1 hour. In advance, I fill the sewing machine and overlock with threads.
And nothing else?
I will take measurements I need for and make a pattern. So let's go.
The state of the body is relaxed. Bust goes under bust measurement, height of the breast and the center of the breast, the distance between the nipples.
I will work with B-elastic material. It is biflex for swimsuit.
Stretch factor in width of biflex 0.8. I'll multiply my horizontal measures by this factor. I'm starting to make a pattern. I thought I would fit into the A4 sheet format, but I didn't have enough. I did everything in 10 minutes. If you want, I will post a separate video with the construction of the pattern. Just tell me.
It will be a top with a fold on the lower edges. Very important part. Very stressful.
Biflex is a pretty slippery material and I need to put 4 layers together, because there is a fold in the center of the piece and a fold at the bottom.
I use my phone as usual and I need a pin. I don't have a pin on my table. Sorry. I pin the material because the layers of material don't want to stay in one place.
I only pin the material. The pattern is held by the phone. This is convenient if you use a roller knife for cutting, as the material doesn't rise above the table and nothing shifts. When you use cutting scissors, it is best not to rely on luck.
Done. Front part and back. I will sew everything on the overlock. I hope it will be very simple and very fast. First of all, I'm going to sew the sides.
I spent 15 minutes making a pattern and 7 minutes cutting material.
Face to face. Where is the fold? I pin the fold because I don't see the fold with my back details. 25 minutes. This side I will leave a hole. In future I will use it for turn out my top. I took the chart. I will mark place for straps. I have straps and 2. Okay. I will cut it. I can cut it. Now, what I want to do? I want to pin my back face to face The seam allowance is in different directions. And I need to put in straps with rings inside. Maybe I will fix my straps sewing machine. I don't know exactly. I pin before and after my straps. I think it's like a very hard hooks. I pin before the straps at the front part. I don't know, maybe I can't trim out it if I sew it right now. What do you think? Oops. Once again. I will start
On the face side.
.35 minutes. But I think it already looks like a top. Not bad, but it's not enough. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I like it. 1/8 front. I need to find hole and turn it out. My straps. It is very important part, and I think that I have to fix this place on sewing machine because I'm really worried about it. Don't worry. Be happy. Yes, really, I fix it on the sewing machine and do it again if it is necessary. I have one channel for my overlock in the sewing machine. I think it is very convenient. So, straight stitch. Yes, very different side. Just look. Not very, but different. Still different. It's not a problem. 1, 2 extra stitches. Let's go. I hope. Let's check. No. I can do it again. "55 minutes? I need to check. I think everything's fine. My top is ready. I spent 1 hour and few minutes. I am happy with the result. See you in the next videos. Bye!